Red Bull KTM Factory Racing showcased strong performances in the second round of the 2024 MotoGP season, held at the Algarve International Circuit in Portugal. Despite challenging conditions during practice sessions, both riders, Jack Miller and Brad Binder, demonstrated their prowess by securing spots in Q2. Miller, returning to the scene of his KTM debut in 2023, clinched 5th position in the sprint, while Binder faced a setback after crashing out at turn 13. During the weekend, the circuit witnessed fluctuating weather conditions, ranging from cool and rainy to sunny spells, posing challenges for the riders. Nevertheless, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing adapted well, with Miller and Binder consistently among the top performers. Miller's impressive performance earned him a slot on the second row of the grid for the sprint. In the 12-lap sprint race, Miller exhibited strong form, finishing 5th despite initial challenges with tire grip and conditions. On the other hand, Binder faced disappointment with a crash but remained determined for the main race on Sunday. Looking ahead to the MotoGP race, both riders expressed confidence in their abilities to improve their positions. Team manager Francesco Guidotti acknowledged the mixed fortunes of the day but remained optimistic about the team's prospects for the upcoming race. The Grand Prix of Portugal witnessed notable performances across MotoGP categories, with Enea Bastianini securing pole position and Maverick Vinales emerging victorious in the sprint. Despite challenges, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing remains poised for a competitive showing in the Grand Prix, reflecting their determination and resilience in the face of adversity.